Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming channel. Today we are going to see decision making statements in Java. Okay, what is decision making statement? Decision making statement is used to execute the statement by using condition. So if the condition is true, it will execute the block. If the condition is false, it will exit from the block. That's the simple way. Okay. There are four types of decision making statements in Java. They are if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, and else if ladder. Today we are going to see if statement and if else statement. So what is if statement? If statement is used to check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the if block. If the condition is false, it will exit from the if block. So let's moving on to the if the condition is it's simple. If the condition is true, it will execute the block. If the condition is false, it will exit from the block. Okay. So moving on to the syntax. If condition, then open the block, enter the statements you want to print. If the condition is true, it will execute this block. If the condition is false, it will exit from the block to the next line. Okay, next line after the if block. Then moving on to the if else statement. So what is if else statement? If else statement is also used to check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the if block. If the condition is false, it will execute the else block. Okay, there is only one main difference between if and if else statement. That is, if the in the if statement, if the condition is false, it will exit from the block. In if else statement, if the condition is false, it will execute the else block. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the syntax. If same condition, open bracket, print statements you want, enter the statements you want to print. Then else block, open the braces, enter the statements you want to print. If the condition is true, it will execute the this block. Then if the condition is false, it will execute the else block. Okay, let's move on to the program. We create a class, public class basis math. Then we open the main method, public static void main string aux. Then open the main method. We create an integer variable a and b. We create a s object for the scanner. Sc is equal to new scanner system.in to get the input from the user. Then we print and when we use the scanner, you have to import java.util.scanner or java.util.star. Okay. Then we enter the value of a. Then getting the value of a. Then print enter the value of b and getting the value of b by using the scanner object sc. Then if the a is greater than b, it will use to print a is greater than b. Okay, if the condition is true, it will print a is greater than b. If the condition is false, it will move into the next line and the program is end. Okay. Okay, let's run the file and check what the output is. The program is running. It says enter the a value, I give 10. Then enter the b value, I give 5. So 10 is greater than 5. So it will print the a is greater than b. Yeah, it will print a is greater than b. If we give the value 5 and 10, it doesn't print, it will end the program because it will exit from the if block. There is no statement next to the if block, so it will exit from the program. Okay, let's check it. Now the program is running. I will give the value of a is 5, then b value is 10. It will exit from the program because there is no statement after if statement, so it will exit from the program. Okay. Okay, let's give else value. Else system dot out dot println b is greater than a. Okay, if a is greater than b, it will print a is greater than b. Else it will execute the else block b is greater than a. It is the if else statement. If the condition is false, it will automatically move to the else statement. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, now the program is running. I give the value a value as 5 and b value of 10. Though 5, so 5 is greater than 10, so it will automatically print the else block b is greater than a. You can see it will print the b is greater than a. Okay, if the condition is true, it will print the block. If the condition is false, it will execute the else block. Okay friends, thanks for watching. That's all for today. I will see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you.